Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab. Just wanted to do a quick installation of this Molle panel. It installs really easily. One of the things I want you to know is when you start this install, make sure you're pulling on the bottom of this because these clips lock up into the top right there. And you can see I broke one off because I didn't know that. And all the clips are on the bottom. So once you get in this gap right here, start pulling on the bottom and then you can just slide this out. All right, and the next step is to slip these upper clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, right in there. These bottom clips are kind of funny because they don't clip onto the bottom. Kind of more maybe grab it if it came out, but just stick it in that hole because once we have this all set, we will take all this Velcro off and that'll get that panel to stick, and anything will just pull this downwards. Make sure your tailgate is completely clean before doing this. Make sure you're in warm weather. It's like 93 degrees here. I am burning up. So above 70 degrees, make sure you maintain that level for at least 24 to 72 hours, I would say, so that it really builds that bond. And then just start removing this, take out the slack, and go on all 4 edges, and then you should be done. You can install your Molle packs. This is pretty cool. That tape on the back of it, the hook and pile tape, is super sticky. Make sure that you're taking all the slack and you're pushing it out before you put that last piece down so that it's not loose up in here. Now I'm actually going to install those Molle packs. All right, so you get one bag that can store small items, maybe a first aid kit or whatnot. Right there, easy access. Also has a zipper over that flap. It has some other attachment points right there. This is kind of more like a dump pouch. You have attachment points, but you have this really big opening right here. You can put maybe a mini trash bag in there. Just throw some of the crap that you have on the trail. You just keep it right there. Another thing that I like about this product is that this tailgate is just normal painted material, susceptible to all the crap in your back just sliding right into it, especially if you have something crazy like this battery pack. But that, in addition to the PPF film that is also available on our site that covers the bottom, you kind of have your back tailgate protected, so no more scratches, or a few less scratches. If you guys like this, find it on our website at stickerfab.com.